This is the video tutorial dedicated to help you with getting rid of the new adware type application called NativeTopics. This is the adware from the adload family of adware type infections. NativeTopics adware actually attacks Safari, Google Chrome, and other browsers on Mac computers. NativeTopics adware, once installed, may periodically display its very annoying advertisements while you surf the web. And if this NativeTopics adware was found on your system, you need to undertake the measures and get rid of it. So right-click on it and move it to the trash. Also, I recommend you to restart your device with Combo Cleaner by going to the page combocleaner.com. Use the green download button, install it, and then start thoroughly restarting the system. Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and then remove all other infections which might still possibly stealthily remain on your computer. After you start Combo Cleaner antivirus, for the first time, the application will be initially in the trial mode, even though certain features of Combo Cleaner are absolutely free to use. For example, disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. The application will first of all update its anti-malware database, and after it is successfully updated, click on Start Combo Scan button. Combo Cleaner antivirus will then begin scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. There are some other features that require premium license. They are antivirus, privacy scanner, and uninstaller feature. The scanning duration depends on various factors, of course. It may depend on how infected the computer is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time, and it may depend on some other factors too, of course. So take your time, wait until the scanning by Combo Cleaner has been successfully accomplished. Also, if you choose to upgrade to premium, you can request a limited functionality trial activation key. But definitely premium license is a much better solution to keep your system always protected from further adware or malware attacks. So at the end of the scan, you'll see the summary of the threats. You'll be able to know their locations. Consider premium license, and this way your system will always be protected from further virus attacks.